What's going on, family? We're about to weld the top of this table out. Got it all set up. Now we're gonna weld our top pieces out. for today. Good more. Let y'all see. So I just weld the top of them. I had already had it tacked up and my side look welds done. So now I was just welding up the top piece of it. That's it. Just dropping those on there. As long as you can weld good, fam, you don't want the welds to be terrible, but you don't have to be, you know, the welds on this thing, ain't nobody gonna be looking at it with a magnifying glass or like, ooh, the welds, you know, but you want them to be nice, don't get me wrong now. But you don't have to spend a lot of time trying to make them perfect or look like some type of Instagram post. You just want them nice and neat. The main thing, you want to make sure it's square and plumb and laid out, and you can fix anything like a weld or something like that later. But right now, the stages of this is just line it out. Learn how to fabricate, use those prints, use that tape measure and line this out. And that's going to be your first stage. So that's why I say that the FWP program is so valuable, because not only that we're teaching people the welding process from MIG welding to flux core welding is going to be the first two in the program. And then we're going to be teaching them fabrication, shop drawings, how to cut parts, how to fit, how to lay out, how to do the things that the companies that they'll be going to are going to have them do. There's no reason for us to have them welding and doing stuff for 6 or 16 weeks and then they jump into an environment that they have no experience, never messed with that type of material, never laid nothing out, never seen nothing get fit up, cut nothing on plasma torch or anything. So we're going to kill several birds in one stone with this FWP program in Little Rock, Arkansas. So for those who want to get involved, make sure you tell a friend or tell a friend. It's going to be located on the Arkansas Baptist College grounds. And they're going to be supporting the program. They also have a GED program that they'll start as well, so you can get a GED, a trade, and a degree. That's a game changer, fam. In Little Rock, Arkansas, Arkansas Baptist College is going to be bringing the Fab-Welding program to you. So if you are getting out of high school and you're trying to turn over a new leaf and you're looking for a solid career where you can start making $60K plus a year after 6 or 16 weeks, sign up to the Fab-Welding program. You can email me at yourweldingcoach@gmail.com, joe@yourweldingcoach.com. You can email, the Fab-Welding program @gmail. And also I want you to check out some of these new ebooks that we got. We got an ebook, The Richest Welder Series, about to get ready to drop. It's actually already there, so you can pick up the Richest Welder Series. There's 3 different ebooks. They're $49, $47 a piece. If you utilize any one of those books, fam, it's going to help you. It's going to literally help get you from 0 to 100. So our goal is to teach people how to weld, how to fabricate, how to get stable employment. And for those who are trying to build businesses and be entrepreneurs, we're trying to teach them how to expand their brand as well. So make sure y'all support the cause, fam. Hold on.